Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my art channel. I'm working on a 24 by 24 inch deep edge canvas. I have it up on my Erica Hughes spinner. I'm going to do a blowout today and then I'm going to spin it out a little bit. And it's a previously used canvas. I went ahead and put on a couple of thin layers of gesso just so that I covered that previous pour, and it gives it a little bit more of a grip. And my base coat color today is a mix of Chroma Curl White and Creative Inspirations Payne's Gray. Mostly white, but a little bit of Payne's Gray goes a long way in that. Made a beautiful kind of pastel smoky blue. I love this color. And you can see that I've mixed my paint so that they just barely leave a little bit of a mound, less than a second trace when I drizzle it off with a stir stick. And my pouring medium is Floetrol with just a little bit of PVA glue because I like to add a binder to the Floetrol. And then on top of that, I have titanium white from Amsterdam. I have Deco Art 24 karat gold. I have some straight Payne's Gray, not mixed with anything else. You can see how dark it is. And then I have some leftover color. This is, I don't even know what all is in here, but I do know that there's two This Little Piggy pigments. There's Mermaid and Glisten in here, so it's very metallic. And so I have two metallics and then two non-metallics, so I will layer those carefully. So I'm going to put on some music for you while I go ahead and play. final result. I always like darkness in the center. That's just part of my style. I think it gives it so much depth in the center, and I'm really happy with this color palette. The gold is gorgeous, but so is that kind of custom green. Oh, it's so pretty in here. I love the way this stretched out. I managed to get it. I could have used just a little bit more paint, I think. But I did manage to get it over the edge in a couple of places. Not here, but definitely here. And over here as well. I like it when, I don't like it floating all by itself in the center. I want it to touch the edges. So I'm really happy with that composition as well. I think it looks fairly balanced. And yeah, I think this is pretty good. I love these cells that came up. I spun it so much that the cells didn't stay a little circular, but I think that's cool anyway. I've always liked that. So let me know what you think in the comments. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you go mix up some paints and be fearless.